The social degeneration that our society is facing, and yet the most affected class is that of youngsters. In such a condition, they see crimes as the immediate solution to all their problems. The declining law and order situation in this country adds to make matters worse. That is the reason that Karachi Juvenile Jail has 150 juveniles aged between 13 to 18 from same backgrounds, where illiteracy, poverty, hunger, and illness has taken hold of the society. Keeping in view the increasing inclination of the future masons of our nation towards crime, Will Forum's lawyers have kept special focus on the juvenile jails.
As advocate, basically our duty is not only to proceed cases according to law and constitution, but being good Muslims, it too is our responsibility to strive for the eradication of crime from our society. Will Forum in this connection is striving for the rule of law and elimination of crimes from our society.
Will Forum's dedicated lawyers chose such children in jails who are neither addicted offenders nor do they belong to any gang. They provide these children with free legal aid and make efforts for their release from jails.
We try our best to manage once monthly visit to jails and pick such cases whose data we collect through our survey forms, and we try to help such children or women offender through this forum with the help of donations who have committed the crime for the first time and they were under compulsion, carelessness or unawareness, or because of any other element, coercion, that compel the individual to commit such a crime. We try to pick such cases and also specially check that the individual is not a habitual offender. Whenever we find that the accused is the habitual offender, immediately we drop the case.
विल के जो प्रोग्रामर हैं और जो उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं जो यहाँ आते हैं, अच्छे प्रोग्राम के साथ हैं, हमें ताउन कर रहे हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि लड़कों को फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा होता है, गरीब लड़के हैं तो ये अपने वकील को अरेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो फ्री लीगल एड देते हैं। उसके बाद में ये लीगल एड देने के बाद वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन जो है वो हमें करते हैं, हमें बताते भी हैं कि हमने ये किया, वो भी हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड मौजूद है। उसके अलावा कभी कोई चीज़ ऐसे हमें पंखों की ज़रूरत पड़ी थी तो मैंने इनसे कहा था, तो मोहतरमा ने 6 पंखे हमें 8 पंखे दिए थे पिछली गर्मियों में, जो हमने लगा दिए और अंदर चल रहे हैं। इस तरह हमसे कुछ थोड़ी बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करते रहते हैं जो ये पूरी हो जाती है।
We observed here that there is dire need to do work for these children. Many of the children were those who had no one to care for them, to back them up, to solve their cases for them. They used to attend their courts and their cases were adjourned and they were given dates. Although juvenile system does exist, yet no one cared for them. Thus, through our Will Forum, we proceeded here and started resolving their cases.
The vision of women Islamic lawyers is not limited with providing legal services. Rather, through counseling, they motivate them to abstain from crime. Besides this, they also arrange reformative activities for them to become good citizens. In this connection, Will Forum organizes special workshops for the jailed children. Through this, they not only try to clear away negative thinking psyche of jailed children, but also are trained to become good and responsible citizens. Will Forum lawyers for these workshops sign up the services of the best training institutes of the country. One such institute, keeping in consideration these young children in jail, has compiled a special training course through which children's mental, physical, psychological health is nurtured. In this training course, special exercises are included for those children who had been addicted to drugs.
विल फारम वाले आते, हमारे वकील भी बने हुए, हमारी मदद करते, हमको निकालने की कोशिश करते। इंशाअल्लाह हम जैसे जल्द निकलेंगे, अपने माँ बाप की खिदमत करेंगे, बुरे काम से बचेंगे, बुरे आदमियों से बचेंगे, बुरे लोगों से बचेंगे।
विल फोरम से मैडम आती है, हम लोगों की अच्छी बातें सुनाती है, जो गलत काम नहीं किया करो और बुरे कामों में हाथ नहीं डाला करो।
हमारे इधर विल फोरम से बहन आती हैं जो पढ़ाने बताते हैं कि ये गलत काम है, ये गलत काम है, ये नहीं करो, आप अच्छे काम करो, अच्छे इंसान बन के रहो। इंशाअल्लाह ताला जब भी हम जाएंगे बाहर, अच्छे इंसान बनेंगे और अच्छे काम करेंगे।
हम बाहर जाएंगे और अच्छे पाकिस्तानी बनेंगे और अच्छे मुसलमान बनेंगे।
This is the result of these efforts of Will Forum that these behind bars children after the release are determined to start a new life.